Life throws challenges at us when we least expect them. Sometimes these challenges feel insurmountable and we doubt if we have the strength to face them. The 19th verse of the Hanuman Chalisa offers a profound reminder of resilience, faith, and the power of unwavering devotion. Let's decode this verse and discover how it can inspire solutions in our modern lives. अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता, असवर दीन जानकी माता. Meaning, this verse glorifies Lord Hanuman as the bestower of the Ashta Siddhi 8 divine perfections and the Navanidhi 9 treasures granted to him by Mother Sita. It symbolizes infinite potential and the blessings that come with unwavering service and devotion. Learnings in present life. 1. Unlocking potential. Hanuman symbolizes the boundless capabilities within us. In today's competitive world, it's easy to feel inadequate. Remember, you carry the strength to achieve extraordinary things when you believe in your abilities. 2. Faith in blessings. Just like Sita Mata blessed Hanuman, blessings often come when we selflessly dedicate ourselves to meaningful causes, whether it's helping someone in need or contributing to society. Goodness always returns manifold. 3. Adaptability and mastery. The Ashta Siddhis represent diverse skills like strength, intellect, and focus. Modern life demands adaptability. Think of entrepreneurs like Elon Musk, who mastered various fields through perseverance, or anyone who turned their challenges into stepping stones by acquiring new skills. Treasure beyond wealth. The Navanidhis signify treasures beyond material riches such as peace, wisdom, and purpose. In our busy lives, true fulfillment comes not from wealth but from living meaningfully and nurturing relationships. Take the example of Sudha Murthy, a philanthropist and author. She used her knowledge and blessings to transform lives, from funding education for underprivileged children to writing books that inspire millions. Her journey reflects devotion to a higher cause, like Hanuman's service to Lord Rama. So, the next time life feels overwhelming, think of Hanuman. Reflect on how you can harness your inner potential, remain grounded in faith, and serve others selflessly. Hanuman teaches us that we are far stronger than we believe. With dedication and the right mindset, we can overcome challenges and unlock the treasures of life. If this verse resonates with you, comment below how you'll tap into your strengths today. Let's light the lamp of faith and determination together.